I actually did a little playing lesson with those guys that were looking to buy membership here the other day.
Oh yeah?
I did it on this hole. So wind should be right to left. Maybe helping as much as anything. Would you guess? Would you agree with that?
Yeah.
Well, it should be over your shoulder to the right, to left.
Okay.
Okay? So, I think the spine is the rocks, right? Isn't there a spine that'll kick it left or right?
Right.
The shorter you hit it, though, the more influence the roll to the right is, correct?
Yeah. Is that right?
It's pitched quite a bit until you get
Shorter,
down
right,
there,
right.
it'll go always right.
Right.
So I would just determine then, what do I want to do? Obviously distance isn't, and no, it's a par 5, distance isn't a major factor here. What the major factor here is making sure that you pick the right target line, and if you mishit it a little bit, it should go down to the spot you can get it on in 2. Now how do we determine that? We already know how the ground's going to roll down there, right?
Right.
But let's widen the fairway like we did on hole number 1. Okay, your tendency on this miss is what? Right.
Right.
So I see nothing wrong with it. Aiming up here. I'm aiming at the dead tree just to right behind it. Now look at the fairway. Now the whole thing is going to right anyway.
Right.
Let's say I totally nuke it, it's going to go straight and it's still going to be left in the rocks. But what I just done is I gave myself more fairway with it, looking at real data, which was your driver. We know how you were hitting it. And once I do that, and I've decided that, I'll ask you another question, because I play holes backwards a lot.
Okay.
I see where the pin is up on a par 5. It's on the right center of the green, correct? Okay. Do I want this on the left side of the fairway this ball?
I would like for it to be.
The problem is, what's the odds of me putting this on the left side of the fairway compared to the right? It's easier to put it over on the right, don't you
Yeah, it's
think?
a 2/3 to a third.
Yeah. Now you can hit the second shot at center of the green.
Right.
I can go for the left side, right? For this fairway. The odds of me getting it closer if I hit that perfect shot, my second shot, the odds of getting that closer to the pin is really a lot better than the right side of the fairway, correct? I think. But I just don't think, me personally, I can put it in that 20-yard gap down there. I just don't.
Right.
And why would I? If I know I'm going to have a 5-iron or 6-iron or whatever for my second shot, if I just let the hill roll this out, it's not like you're giving in to the gods, you know what I mean? It's you're saying the ground will do this to my ball. Right. I still have a middle of the green second shot, 2-putt birdie unless I make a good putt. But I will assess that when I get down there. But at least I'll have a shot at the green more times than I will on the left side. Because we get blocked by that tree, you and I.
Sure. Right.
So that's one thing I would think about. And I would think...
So, are you saying 5-iron again? Or,
no.
Or are you...
I'm saying if you're comfortable with the driver, now that we know your tendencies and how well you swing it again, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's a good plan. I think we could go right at the rocks or just to the left edge at that dead tree.
Right, that's what I was
Okay?
looking at, yeah.
Let's say you turn it over. Now it's on the left side of that fairway in that go zone.
Right,
Great.
sure.
But if you just hit a normal stock shot, it's going to be right at the rocks. You've got an iron into the green.
Right.
Par 5. Well, geez, give me that every day.
Every day, yeah.
Right. But it increases your odds of having a second shot that can reach that green. So why wouldn't I do that rather than go for the 1 out of every 10 shots, right? You know 9 out of 10 you can hit it right where you're aiming because the ground's going to help you.
Right.
It's just going to filter right over to the right side of the fairway. And you got a huge fairway now, so just make sure that you bring the knee and shoulder together and post up that finish. Hold the finish. Atta baby. Good swing. Hold it a little.
Hold it.